Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix Grindr's no connection or disconnected error. So now let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Another step is enable the airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds, then disable it. And this will refresh your network connection and resolve minor issues. Another step is restart Grindr. Restarting the app can help refresh the connection and it may fix the error. You can also try uninstalling the app and reinstalling again. A fresh installation can correct any corrupted data or app issues. So these steps should help you resolve the no connection error. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.